Hey guys, are you want to buy best dash cams for car safety? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best dash cams for car safety that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Terunsoul WiFi Dash Camera for car. The Terunsoul Dash Cam offers comprehensive dual-channel 4K recording, capturing both front and rear footage in stunning 3840x2160p. Its 170 degrees ultra-wide front lens ensures full coverage of 6-lane roads, capturing every crucial detail. Equipped with a pre-installed 128GB memory card and support for up to 512GB, it features loop recording and a G-sensor that locks collision videos automatically, while a manual lock button secures emergency recordings. Super Starlight Night Vision with enhanced WDR and large apertures, f1.5 front, f1.8 rear, delivers vibrant, clear footage even in low light. Dual-band 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi plus the Terunsoul app allow instant viewing, downloading, and sharing on iOS or Android. Built-in GPS records speed, routes, and locations for added evidence, viewable via the free GPS player. 24-hour parking monitoring detects impacts and records time-lapse videos, hardware kit required. Easy installation, a 3-inch IPS screen, and an 18-month warranty make this dash cam a reliable, high-performance solution for any vehicle. Now our second product is Redtiger Dash Cam Front Rear. The Redtiger F7 NP Dash Cam delivers dual-channel recording with Ultra HD 4K, 3840x2160p, front and full HD 1080p rear resolution, capturing critical details such as road signs and license plates. Its 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots, providing reliable evidence during collisions or unexpected events. Superior night vision is ensured with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture, 6-layer optical lens, and HDR/WDR technology, offering clear footage even in low light. Built-in Wi-Fi allows seamless connection to the Redtiger Cam app on iOS or Android, enabling live viewing, playback, downloads, and easy sharing. Integrated GPS tracks real-time speed, location, and routes, viewable via Google Maps or the Windows/Mac GPS player for additional evidence. Features like loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring, hardware kit required, enhance safety. Backed by an 18-month warranty, this dash cam offers convenience, security, and peace of mind for any driver. Our third product is Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam delivers exceptional dual-channel recording with a 4K front camera, 3840x2160p at 30 fps, and 1080p rear camera, capturing clear footage of both the road ahead and behind. Its 150 degrees front and 140 degrees rear ultra-wide angles reduce blind spots, while the Sony IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor and large f1.5/f1.8 apertures ensure bright, detailed recordings even in low-light conditions. Equipped with dual-band 5 GHz per 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, the Rove app allows instant viewing, high-speed downloads, up to 20 megabytes per second, and easy sharing on smartphones, along with firmware updates. Built-in GPS records routes, speed, and compass directions, providing additional evidence when needed. Advanced features include loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, emergency video lock, motion detection, voice guidance, and support for microSD cards up to 1 TB. The 24/7 custom parking mode monitors your vehicle with time-lapse, motion, and collision detection, hardware kit required, ensuring peace of mind. Comes with a free 128GB card and robust supercapacitor for extended life. Now number 4, Iiwey N5 4-channel Dash Cam. The Iiwey N5 4-channel Dash Cam offers comprehensive 360 degrees recording with 4 FHD 1080p cameras, covering the front, rear, sides, and interior. It also features a 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p mode for enhanced clarity. Front and rear cameras boast 170 degrees super wide-angle lenses, while side cameras provide 150 degrees coverage, ensuring every road detail is captured. The dash cam includes a pre-installed 128GB SD card, supports up to 256GB, and features loop recording, automatically deleting the earliest files when storage is full. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and a free app for iOS and Android allow fast connectivity, video preview, downloads, and sharing. Smart G-sensor technology locks collision videos to prevent overriding. The N5 supports 24-hour parking mode with time-lapse or impact detection, hardware kit required, sold separately. Powered by a supercapacitor, it avoids battery overheating and ensures longevity. Compact and reliable, the Iiwey N5 dash cam delivers full coverage, safety, and peace of mind for all driving conditions. And our last choice is Miden S7 4K dash cam front and rear. The Miden S7 dash cam offers premium dual-channel recording with 4K front, 3840x2160p, and 1080p rear video, capturing crucial details like road signs and license plates. Its 176 degrees front and 160 degrees rear wide-angle lenses provide comprehensive coverage, while the f1.5 aperture, 1/2.7 Sony Starvis IMX498 CMOS sensor, and WDR technology ensure bright, clear footage day or night. The 3.2-inch IPS screen delivers a sharp, user-friendly interface, and the aluminum alloy case enhances heat dissipation and durability. Loop recording and a high-performance 3-axis G-sensor automatically lock collision videos to preserve evidence, with a manual lock button for important moments. Parking monitor detects vibrations, providing 24-hour surveillance. Installation is simple with included wiring tools and detailed instructions. Miden includes a free 64GB SD card and USB reader for easy video access, combining affordability, convenience, and top-tier features. Backed by a 10-year warranty and lifetime support, it ensures long-lasting reliability and peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.